So it's been a little less than 12 hours since I've come here, and I think a little more than 12 hours since I've come here. It's been. I didn't know what to expect coming in, but I know that there are two things that are very important: the right location and the right guide. And I think we had the perfect guide. He didn't keep it too long and exhausting, and it was just the right amount of information. Even things that I know, I liked hearing from him. And I think the location was perfect. I can't say much for the food. I enjoy food, but I've never really stayed in a tent before. I've never done this before. So as a first time, as someone who has experienced it for the first time, I think I would want to come back, even though I missed a couple of things. I missed seeing Saturn, and but I've seen Saturn before. But there's no end to what all you can see in space. You can keep seeing the same thing over and over again, just like a starry night sky.